Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening. In this video, we'll try to learn how we can plot the X-ray diffraction pattern of the perovskite oxide. Like I said before, I worked on lanthanum manganese oxide because it was very interesting. I tried to do things by using different doping elements. Today, this video, the specific purpose, the specific purpose to these two videos, I mean this video or previous one, because I suffered too much to learn these few things about how we can plotting the X-ray diffraction pattern. I found video on YouTube. It was helpful, but it was before the program updates. Because that my mission was very difficult. Today, we'll try to learn how we can plot this diagram by using origin before after update. I wish this video will be very helpful to all of you. Let's start. At first, at previous video, I said, and we learned together how we can do the CIF file, crystallographic file from foolproof by going to output from EDPCR and selected creating CIF file. After that, now, and we use this CIF file to by using Vista to calculate all of the manganese bond length, manganese bond, manganese oxygen manganese angle. Now let's start to learn how we can plotting the X-ray diffraction pattern. From this button, if we push it, we will see something. The foolproof can upload this diagram to us, this X-ray diffraction pattern, but it's not the best. We can create best one by controlling on some parameters like colors and line size and others by using origin. Now, let's take the necessary information from this plot. Like I said before, we pushed on the plotter and the foolproof. Now, let's go to file and let's say save data as multiple columns file. I pushed on it to be sure all of these will be in my diagram. I must select all of them. By that, okay. Let me name it, will be Centennial 5 at 900 CDZ, the centennial temperature, which I selected, comma, origin. Let me select the right place. I worked on it. That means save. The multi-columns of this file, origin file, has been created. Let me push OK. After that, now we don't need the foolproof anymore. We have the necessary information and specific file in my PCR. By that, let me close it. Close it from here. Yes, I won't exit from this program. Now let me go to uploading it. New last without foolproof. Now let's search on XYN file. This one, which created from foolproof before few moments ago. I worked on this file, will work on this file by using origin. Let me go to origin. Bismillah. Now, for update, before updating this program, at I was talking about helpful file, but it was before the updating before updating. By that, this I I I focused, let me say, I struggle too much because a few simple things. For example, in the helpful video on YouTube, all the respect to this YouTuber because uh, her or his purpose was to help us, was using this file, open some options, we must do it to create our X-ray diffraction pattern. Now, after updating, we can go directly to import single ISCL by push on it. I can select my XY file by going to the specific address. We don't have this file. Why? Let me push on all files. Now let me search on XY. This is my file. I work on it by using origin, open, auto, okay. Let me increase size. At first, let me clear all the unnecessary thing.